Are you looking for a project where you invest the lowest but gain the highest returns? Here is a project, One Jarvis. Right now I'm here in downtown Hamilton, and this is the project I must recommend because you're gonna get great benefit in terms of higher rental and higher property appreciation in this particular project, this particular location. This is in the core downtown area. You are just few minutes away from Hamilton Go, McMaster University, Mohawk College, and again Hamilton is investors' first choice to invest. Why? Because you are just next to highways, employment rate is really good. There are 7 hospitals, biggest cancer research center, and McMaster University, Mohawk College brings over 60,000 students serving here every year. So this is the place where you are getting higher return and higher appreciation. Give me a call today to reserve your spot because units are always limited. In this project, we're gonna have, it's a 15-story luxury building units. They're gonna be 354 units coming, but the price, the units go really fast. So book your unit right away. Give me a call at 647-532-3000.